The LG 32MR50C-B is a 32-inch Full HD curved monitor designed to enhance both productivity and entertainment experiences. Its combination of immersive display features and user-friendly technologies makes it a compelling choice for various applications. Display quality. Featuring a 31.5-inch VA panel with a 920x1080 resolution, the LG 32MR50C-B offers vibrant colors and sharp visuals. The 1500R curvature provides an immersive viewing experience, making it suitable for both work and entertainment. Performance features. The monitor boasts a 100Hz refresh rate and a 5 ms response time, ensuring smooth motion and reduced blur during fast-paced activities. AMD FreeSync technology synchronizes the display's refresh rate with your graphics card, minimizing screen tearing and stuttering. Eye comfort. To enhance viewing comfort, the LG 32MR50C-B includes Reader Mode, which adjusts the color temperature for a more comfortable reading experience, and Flicker Safe technology, which reduces flickering to minimize eye strain during extended use. User-friendly features. The OnScreen Control software allows for easy customization of monitor settings, enabling users to split the screen or adjust settings with a few clicks. Additionally, the auto input switch feature automatically detects and switches to the active input source, streamlining the user experience. Design and connectivity. With a 3-side virtually borderless design, the LG 32MR50C-B offers a sleek and modern aesthetic. Connectivity options include HDMI ports, providing flexibility for various devices. The LG 32MR50C-B 32-inch curved monitor combines immersive display quality, performance-enhancing features, and user-centric technologies, making it a versatile choice for both work and play. Its thoughtful design and features cater to a wide range of user needs, ensuring a satisfying experience.